Hello folks, Waz here from B&B Audio Concepts, and we're based in Cardiff in Wales, and today we have a BMW X5. It's had a dated system in there from day one. Vehicle's in mint condition, customer loves it, and he just wanted to bring newer tech into the car rather than spending thousands just to get Apple CarPlay. So in this case, we've added the new KENWOOD 7 series to this vehicle. It now has Apple CarPlay wirelessly, and it has Bluetooth. Okay, it's touch screen, so everything's fine. Really high quality capacitive screen, so that's pretty good. Android will work fine. Has DAB, and then the option of adding a reverse camera or anything else like that. So now this unit comes with a 3-year warranty because it's been fitted by a dealer, which we're a KENWOOD approved dealer. So come and see us if this interests you. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you're in Wales or near Cardiff, come and see us, Audio Concepts. Thank you very much.